In this video, we'll learn how to work on the TEC site. Don't forget, the address is at the top, TECS, Makam ACIL. Okay, as I told you before, you can choose the language. You can be in English or in Hebrew. I'm going to demonstrate in English, but the same thing will work in Hebrew. You've watched the video, you already have registered. So you put in your username and you put in your password, which hopefully you remember what it is, and you do log in. Now you scroll down the page. Now you can see at the top you've got my text. That's everything that belongs to me on the site. So at the moment we haven't done anything, but soon we'll come back to this. So we want to go all the way down to the bottom to TEC International. Now the auth site for this session is under TEC International. Click here. And you get to this site. Now I am already part of this group, but the first thing you have to do is join group. Tzaref lekvutza. If you don't do that, then you won't be able to see or write. So the first thing you must do is join group. Okay? Then you can see all the information we've got. Now the other thing you should do, first of all, is go to My Profile and add your picture. My Profile. So you can edit profile. Okay? And you can write about yourself, brief description, all about yourself. And you can edit the profile icon, which is the picture view or whatever you'd like to put here. Now once you've registered for the site, when you next go for the group, when you next go to My Groups, I've got lots of groups here because I run this site, but you can see here the last group, the group that you belong to. There's so many groups here for me that I belong to. I'm going to go back to the home page and go in as we went in from the beginning. ברגע שנרשמתם לקבוצה, אפשר ללכת ל-My Groups, הקבוצות שלי, text, הקבוצות שלי, ולמסור את זה. Now, but what do we have inside text? We have group discussions, we've got group pages, group files, a group blog, group albums, group calendar, and videos, bookmarks, and that's basically what you have. Now here on the actual page of the group we've got the last things we've put in, and as of today I've got introductions, riddles, and I've got lots of pages. The pages are where we've put all the different links for you for the course, and where the group files are, we've put files and PowerPoint presentations that we'll be using, and under videos we put lots of videos, and under bookmarks we've put different internet sites that we think you'll be interested in. This is free Israel picture database here. Okay, so anyone can add anything to our group once you're a member. You all have equal opportunity. כל אחד יכול להוסיף. If you go into group discussion, this is where I put a riddle of the day, which you can go in and answer. Here's the riddle. If you know the answer, all you have to do is write here, post a comment. Put an answer here and post. Okay? Later on we can do how to put pictures in, etc. But that's all you have to do. And don't use Explorer. Explorer won't be so good. Now once you actually write something yourself, you have the option of deleting or editing, but not someone else's post. כל אחד יכול למחוק או לעשות עריכה לדברים שהם כתבו. זה הפורום, this is the forum. Now group pages are interesting because here we've got lots of different pages. We've got holidays and special occasions, which is where all the material from the course has been put in. If you look on the side here, You can see, you can go down to Shavuot, Jerusalem Day, Lag BaOmer, Independence Day, Holocaust, Passover, exactly what we're teaching in this course, and links and material will all appear here. Other pages you can go to Pages Home. We've given you other links for Jewish sources. So, for example, if you want to see Hebrew films, learning Hebrew, Mishnah and Gemara, all these different other links you can find here. Let's go, for example, to Hanukkah, and you can find videos for Hanukkah. If you have more sources for Hanukkah, this is where you just go in, edit page, and add. Here's the right edit page. I'll show you how you do it. And you see what's written here, and you just go in here, the end of this link, don't delete it, and add whatever you'd like to add here, and go down and click on save. Okay, and then you update the link. The other pages that we have for you here are about the tools of the internet and how to use the tools for online learning. And here in the subtopics you can go into, so I've put loads of material here, different tools for clouds, collaborative, all these Jewish and web apps, everything here, so many links here that will help you in your work. Okay? So now we've looked, and whenever you want to go back, just click on Nomi Foundation or Workshop in Bulgaria, and we go back to our first page. So we've looked at group discussions and group pages, and now we can look at group files. Group files, where we've uploaded different PowerPoints and slides used for the session, so you've always got them to use afterwards. We've looked at that. If you have any files to add, upload a file. Okay, now we're going to go back to the front page of our workshop, and we've looked at discussions, pages and files. Now we've got blog, which we'll be using during the seminar, and also I don't think we have anything here at the moment, but our ad. No, nothing at the moment. But the next thing we have is we do have information there, and that it will be our group albums, where we'll put all the pictures up from the seminar. There's a calendar if you want to have events, and there are videos. Here I've put up the video, how do you register for the TEC. This video will also be here, how do you make a blog star for using the program Tuxedo, and all the programs we'll be using you'll be able to find here. Again, we go back to here to go back to the front page. And the other thing, we have a bookmarks, and any link you find, just add here to the bookmarks. Okay, just go to the bookmarks, and then you'll be able to go here, add a bookmark, and then we can make all a list of different bookmarks. Any site you think that isn't here you'd like to add, this is where you can add it. Okay, now afterwards we can actually see if someone is online at the same time as us and get to talk to them. You can, but when we go, we can see the bookmarks I personally have put in, my files, my albums, and my videos. Anything you put in yourself is here, and the groups you belong to. What's new tells you what's new on the site. And members, you can be friends of people, so you can write to them in the future. Okay, so that's really an introduction with a lot of information here, and I hope you'll find your way around the site. Thank you.